but council dafa bankrupt ñun bu ñëw council dafa am overdraft of $9 million.
Wow.
One month before the end of 2019, I left $43 million surplus.
So 9 million overdraft.
9 million overdraft.
So that's for
$43 million.
$43 million. That's
surplus.
Wow.
In 2019.
In 2019.
That $43 million.
Wow.
Moo tax ñu mëna start Mbalit project.
Wow.
Because da nga faté bu moto yu ñëwé. Government charge us 13 million. 13
million
to punish us pour moto yi buñ génna. Because somebody told them, if you charge council duty, they don't have money, they cannot pay for it. Feka xamuñ ne maa ngi denca $43 million.
Wow.
So dañu ko charge rek we pay it.
Okay, you paying the Espace Moto mo fay lo.
Ñun ñoo fay lolu KMC.
Okay.
$13 million.
But
13.1 million.
KMC as a service delivery.
Yes.
To public service delivery.
Exactly.
Why? I'm asking you why.
So what happened behind the scene?
Wow.
Buga ji say moto yi si port bi. I know we are diverting a bit. On the buga ji say moto yi si port bi. They got shocked. Because at the time, the first batch, 24 vehicle ñoo 24 truck. Like when you see 24 truck for the first time in the history of Gambia,
wow.
You line up, they panic.
You know KMC.
If this truck come out and is inaugurated by UDP, it's not good for NPP. And remember, 2019, time Bobola UDP and NPP and problem. That's when the division started. When Barrow and Dabo divided.
Wow.
And Barrow was very panic about 2021 elections.
Wow.
So when they see this truck, they might call behind the scene. For this truck to come out, Barrow must inaugurate it.
For Barrow mo
inaugurate. That's what Lulu Mol have. I think this is the first time, Pamodu. Pamodu, today you have breaking news. This is the first time I mentioned that.
So they don't them see run.
Wow, we should take this truck to State House.
To State House.
So Barrow can inaugurate it.
Oh, okay.
That is the condition for the truck to come out.
So then they fail lolu kon do len fay.
Don't fay dara.
So lu tax nga bañ?
Of course, lolu make good sense. How can we as a council, and this is the independence of the council. Because it's on principle. We have sat down as elected people, come up with a concept, work with our liggéey nañ ak suñu administration. You defar liggéey bu métti bi yëpp ba truck yi ñëw ba Gambia amuñ one support from Mansakunda. No subvention, no support, no help.
No nothing.
Because remember 2018, Meet the People tour.
Wow.
Dama taxaw buffer zone. Mane President Barrow, we need your support. KMC only have 2 tractors.
Okay.
And Mbalit bi dafa bari. Ñaari tractor rek lañ am Mbalit bi dafa bari. Mun nga ñu dimbali. Tractor Yaya Jammeh, you all seize from Jane Commission. So you can give it to KMC. Because we are suffering from Mbalit problem.
Wow.
They ignore us. Barrow bu mu ñëw si mic bi. That day. Mu téye mic bi. After man bu ma waxee. Mu ñëw mi ne mayor bul caalit. Xam nañ ne sooy politique. Da nga wax lu la neex. Wante the reality on the ground. You cannot do it. So mom, instead of mu mayor, I will see how to help you. That's the first time Barrow attacked me.
Wow.
So Magis ne, but we are one party. It means something is not right.
Something is not right.
So man, that's the first time, I even tell party leader, that's the first time I sense something is coming.
Something is coming.
Because May 2018 is UDP, Barrow is UDP in a coalition government and is UDP council. So if I cry for, Barrow should say, I will support you. But instead, he criticized me.
Okay.
You make big promise, but reality is not like that.
It's not like that.
So we decided that we will do it ourselves. So now you land in the Gambia. Now you said I should give you political credit when I know that our parties are about to separate. UDP and NPP and Barrow.
And Barrow, that was before NPP.
Well, we are about to divide.
Yes.
So you know, over our dead body. We will rather pay 9 fay amount bi.